Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Kia remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to remove this panel here to gain access to the key fob battery. We can slide our fingers down this groove here and try and remove it by force, but what I like to do is get a spoon or some kind of implement and just pop it down the gap and just prise the case open like so. It makes it so much easier. And there is your key fob battery. Now we just get a little screwdriver and we just place it underneath the key fob battery and just prise it out of its housing like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032 like this one. We get our new key fob battery and we just simply pop it back into the housing like so. We make sure that the writing on the key fob battery is actually facing upwards at you so we know it is in its correct location. And then we just simply pop the case back on like so, make sure it's all lined up and clicks into place, and there you go. It's all done.